Welcome to this lesson on modal verbs. In this video, we will explore 5 essential modal verbs: can, will, should, must, and may. Modal verbs are special verbs that help us express ability, permission, obligation, and possibility. By the end of this lesson, you will understand how to use each modal verb correctly in English sentences. Modal verbs are helper verbs that change the meaning of main verbs. They tell us whether something is possible, necessary, allowed, or advised. Modal verbs do not act like regular verbs. They modify or alter what the main verb expresses. For example, saying I can speak English is different from saying I speak English. The modal verb can shows ability. Can is used to express ability or possibility. It means you are able to do something. For example, I can speak English means I have the ability to speak English. She can run very fast means she has the ability to run at high speed. Can is one of the most common modal verbs and is used in everyday conversations to talk about what people are capable of doing. Will is used to talk about future actions or decisions. It expresses something that will happen in the future. For example, I will go to the store tomorrow means you plan to go to the store in the future. They will arrive at 5 p.m. means they plan to arrive at that time in the future. Will is essential for talking about future events and plans. Should is used to give advice or recommendations. It expresses what the right thing to do is. For example, you should study hard for the test gives advice about studying. She should eat healthy food recommends healthy eating. Should is not a requirement like must, but rather a suggestion or recommendation for what you ought to do. Must is used to express obligation or necessity. It means something is required or mandatory. For example, you must wear a seatbelt while driving is a requirement for safety. We must arrive on time means it is necessary to be punctual. Must is a strong modal verb that shows something is compulsory and not optional. May is used to express permission or possibility. It can mean you are allowed to do something. For example, may I help you is polite way to ask permission. It may rain tomorrow means there is a possibility that rain will occur. May is less common than can, but is more formal when asking for permission. Let us review all 5 modal verbs we have learned. Can expresses ability, will expresses future action, should expresses advice, must expresses obligation, and may expresses permission or possibility. Each modal verb serves a different purpose in English. Understanding these differences helps you use modal verbs correctly in different situations. Here are some practice sentences using each modal verb. I can play the guitar shows ability with can. She will finish her homework tomorrow shows future action with will. You should drink more water gives advice with should. They must follow the rules shows obligation with must. These examples show how modal verbs are used in real sentences. Remember these key points about modal verbs. First, modal verbs express ability, permission, obligation, and possibility. Second, each modal verb has a specific function and common usage. Third, you should practice using modal verbs in your daily conversations to become more comfortable with them. Keep practicing, and you will master modal verbs in no time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.